If you look there, that is a baby egret swimming. For some reason it fell out of the tree. And it's swimming to the other side, hopefully. There's a little 6-foot alligator eating on a dead cow on that side. And I'm like thinking that little bird's fixing to get killed. So let's hope he gets to the little nest before, or little tree before that gator gets him. Walk around right now. There he is. Kind of hard to see him, he's a little soaked. I don't know where the alligator is. Yeah, still got his little fuzz on top. So if he makes it out of the water.